Hey Alpha fam, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Commission. Today on Alpha Commission, of course, we're going to go over just that sideways action on the Bitcoin chart. You can see on the 1 hour here, I have put some levels. Just, it's the weekend. I think at last episode I didn't do levels, and some of you appreciate that. So here we can see that the 1 hour is trying to get above the momentum pool, which it is approximately ending at 26,836. So we are effectively there, but just for confirmation on the MACD, we'll want to be above this 26,848, which we are starting to press into. Now we're also above the volatility pivot on the 1 hour. So should we close in this position, it looks like a pretty good case for continuation, maybe to the bullish control zone at 26,907, and then we can take it from there. Guys, if we throw on the 6 hour, then we can see that we do have something that's very similar, which is that here on the 6 hour chart, we are also at the top of the momentum pool, and we are trying to get above that bearish control zone at 26,886. As long as we're underneath there, it's just bias is a little bit to the downside. Now, the things that are in our favor, of course, we are above the volatility pivot. We are at the top of the momentum pool, and so this is the bull's best chance to try to pop up here. And it looks like that 1 hour is trying to really take the lead. So if the 1 hour fails, it could be a couple 1 hour candles, then maybe we're just going to take a swim back in the alpha momentum pool, and that's probably going to be how we waste our day. But should we get above that bearish control zone, that could actually initiate a series of events that could be bullish in the long run. Let's jump over to the daily chart. And on the daily chart, you can see that this is a bit of a different picture, okay? So the daily volatility pivot has come significantly down, but it's not at our back. It's actually a headwind against us. So we do need to get above 26,951, basically that $27,000 level that I've been talking about for quite some time now. In order for us to consider that we're even going to be able to push up into the daily momentum pool, and then to really have that momentum pool underneath us and the volatility pivot, two criteria, which would allow us to pump, we would have to be above 27,770. Now, guys, the day doesn't actually have to achieve this in one go. There can be plenty of days that we have a chance to, take that out. And really, you understand that what I'm trying to do is hold 27,000 until the 2-week chart closes, and that will close in 8 days. So we do have 8 days to hold that level. And, if we can just, tightly hold on to this 27K area and allow the 2-week to close above it, then that's going to give us a really good opportunity to continue to pump, maybe even to 35K. But until then, we do just have that threat of that head and shoulders just looming over us like a guillotine. And, this thing could just come snapping down at any time. So we do have to be aware that we are in a bit of risk here so long as we're losing these lows over here and have already breached this neckline. This could just be a retest before a crazy drop down to a 23K-ish area. Okay, of course, the the measured move of the failed head and shoulders would be approximately $32,000 and could perhaps even get us into the bullish control zone on the daily, which does begin above 30,535. Guys, that's your alpha for the day. Stay safe and happy trading.